Hi, this is Matt Moran. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Legends of Learning. I'm going to show you how to quickly build a playlist and assign it to your students so they can play games and take assessments. From the dashboard, just click Build a Playlist, choose a subject area, choose a grade level, select or filter for a topic. When I get to the playlist builder, I can find games I'd like to add to this playlist. The games are ranked by highest teacher rating to lowest teacher rating. I can roll over the games to get more info, try the games, click to add to playlist, or I can simply drag and drop these games into the playlist. If I'm a paid account, I can add a custom set of assessment questions, or as a free user, I can add a quick assessment. The questions in the assessment are relevant to the standard that I chose. Simply click Add to Playlist. You can then drag around the order of the activities, and this is the order in which students will encounter these activities. You can also change the playlist name, save it as a draft, but if I want to get it in front of my students, I click Assign Playlist for now or later. Once I click this button, I can choose student groups if I've set these up, but I don't need student groups to be set up to assign this playlist. I can name the assignment, and I can set the duration that this assignment will be available to my students. Click Assign. I get some information that this assignment will be available to my students from now until the 17th. And if I want my students to start playing this assignment now, I just need to click to go to live assignment. Here are instructions for my students to go to login.legendsoflearning.com and when prompted to use the teacher code Moran18. I'm going to close this instructional modal, and I can see that as my students join my playlist, I see a dot that shows their progress through the assessments and games, and a dot that shows up here to tell me that they're present. As they begin to answer questions from my assessments, I will start to see the results populate on the right-hand side. At any time, I can pause this playlist for my students, or I can actually stop and end it for my students. So that's a really brief overview of how to build a playlist and then assign it so that it's available for my students. At any point, please don't hesitate to contact us with questions through the chat bubble in the lower right, or peruse our help for much more information on how to use Legends of Learning. We hope you and your students enjoy Legends of Learning and that you have a great year.